Samsung's Galaxy S23 starts receiving Android 14 update. European users are reporting receiving a fresh out-of-beta version of Samsung's Android 14-based One UI 6 update is available for download. Samsung's Android 14-based One UI 6 update is leaving beta on the Galaxy S23 in Europe, users in the region are reporting. Across X, the platform formerly known as Twitter, and Reddit, people are seeing the update roll out in countries including the UK, France, Germany, Poland, Spain, and Portugal. While many are updating from the beta version of One UI 6, some are receiving a larger 3 GB patch to update from the stable version of One UI 5.1. While the update appears to be limited to S23 users in European markets for now, Samsung's approach in previous years suggests that a stable US release won't be far behind. The company's Android 13-based One UI 5 update started rolling out for European Galaxy S22 owners around October 24 last year, which was followed by a US release roughly a week later. One UI 6 has been available in beta for around 2.5 months, and Android Police has a nice write-up of the biggest changes to look forward to with the update. These include updated camera and weather apps and widgets, a redesigned quick settings menu, and overhauled emoji designs. Here's a complete change list if you want to dive deeper. To download the update, head into your Galaxy S23's Settings app, tap Software Update, and then download and install.